So this is called the love song of J. Redhead Frame for Janet and Jane and Heidi. Let us go then, you and I, when the evening is spread out against the sky like a patient etherized upon a table. T.S. Eliot. Begin with the Greek, enarche ein ho logos. In the beginning was the Word. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was dear. Dear Janet, my dearest Janet, my darling, my delight, sweetheart, wordsmith, you and I are kin. No, we are lovers. You are my girlfriend across time, across waters, across that funny threshold of light and dark, that place of blinking ephemera, only wonder and one door wink between life and death, our breath. Today I hold you tight, and we are lung-sprung, luminous, gilded, because we are together now, or always have been, or will be soon. Let us meet in Ibiza, in Roswell, or Albuquerque. Let us meet in Dunedin by the swimming hole, or on First Street by train tracks. Let us meet here now in Winnings. Bring your typewriter and I will bring mine. Let us break lines together, because enarche ein ho logos. In the beginning was the Word, and it was green. And the Word was girlhood, was gift, was good, was twirl. And the women come and go, talking what girls know. Run, the women say, run up the hillside, climb the green hill. Run so fast you end up right here, right now, because this moment, this hope, this instant, this beauty will haunt you, will hold you, will carry you on its back through the harrowing, because there will be harrowing, and through the aftermath of harrowing, because there will be aftermath. But right here, right now, we are children. We are all children. Shall we skip? Can we skip the hard parts? Let us have luster longer. Let us see the sun cartwheel, the forest flicker, the teacher not scold us, no voices tear down the house wrapped around us. How funny, how fast and cataclysmic whirlwind happens. Do we dare disturb the universe with blood between our legs, our reticence, our petulance, pills down our throats? In the room, the women come and go, talking of dead sisters. Dearest Janet, you are not my sister. Press close, tell me, is it perfume from your dress that makes me so digress? Or is it the ward, the locked down places we have both been? Psychiatric institution, mental hospital, legendary loony bin, enarche ein ho logos. In the beginning was the word asylum, not sanctuary, lock, and the word shock, because enarche, in the beginning in 1938, a man named Dr. Serletti watched another man prep a pig for slaughter. How? With electric shock to the temples. The uncooperative flesh was suddenly rendered agreeable, unconscious. Dr. Serletti thought to himself, if it works for a pig, why not a person? Electrodes and currents trip sine wave seizures. Dr. Serletti made his patients meek and, how do you say it, logos. This time the word is manageable. How memorable the ones made to forget, the ones we shouldn't forget. I have not forgotten the way electrodes left dents on your temples. I pressed my lips there. Dearest Janet, what does it mean to receive over 200 shock treatments? To lose years like that, to be a patient, to get treated like a pig prepped for slaughter? Was it memorable? Was it medicine? Did it help you? Or Artaud? Did it help Plath or Hemingway, Maria Hornbacher, Judy Garland, Kitty Dukakis, Janet Leigh? How about Lou Reed, Yves Saint Laurent, Bud Powell, Michael Moriarty, Tammy Wynette? And should I then presume to ask David Foster Wallace whether shock therapy is correlated to suicide? It is. Shall I say any writer can be seized? By 19, I had epilepsy, prescriptions for my temporal lobes, Tegretol, Dilantin, Depakote, later Valium, clonazepam, Wellbutrin, Prozac, Abilify, Quietapine, Zoloft, Stelzine, Melaril, more, shh, don't tell. I'm 309.81, pinned and wriggling against the wall. My DX, what the doctors say now, PTSD. It's not what they said back when. Others came before. I have taken many labels. Bipolar mostly, briefly schizoaffective. Once I got Asperger's, another time synesthesia, another, we think it's a brain tumor. And you, Janet? What were you called? What label? Schizophrenic? You tell me yours, I'll tell you mine. And I'll tell you what the medical journal said after you died. Doctors revised you, diagnosed you with autism, you got sicker and you were dead. But you were dead when it happened, you died. You made it to 79, how good is that? To get there old, to have lived past the lost years and blank staring, your ratcheted body attached day after day to live wires, to live past that, to live book after book after book past that, and then to die. To get to die by something other than your own hand or a doctor's. Let us all live to be 79 and get leukemia. What grace. In the sanatorium, things don't always work like that. Timing is everything. To think he got shortlisted. Hologos ein lobos. The word was lobos, for lobe in the brain. Kai hologos ein tome. And the word was tome, to cut, to slice, lobos, tome, lobotomy. You were shortlisted for lobotomy. And you were shortlisted for the Pulitzer. Many lists are short, lucky. The book prize saved you because writing is good and writing is sanctuary and writing is a line thrown to the larger world, something bright, tether, kai pros ton theon. And the word was towards the light, right? And because you write and because I write, no bare bulb hangs for us from the ceiling of a mental board. What is light is the door, this exit or re-entrance. Light is the glint in your eyes while taking a lover, the glint in my eyes talking to you, because NRK, in Hologos, in the beginning was the word, and the word was hope, and hang on, and the word was here, still in the room. Women come and go, no talk of Michelangelo. You and I didn't go to Harvard like T.S. We were locked on wards those years. We won't go bald in a spot up top like T.S. We're women. And we don't have unhappy first marriages like T.S. We don't get marriage. Our lives are tumultuous, state entwined, burdened underneath labels, though in private, when alone or together with each other, wounded girlfriend to wounded girlfriend, we undress and take off everything, strip the world down to the barest bones our flesh can cling to, how we dress our wounds. Then bombed and bandaged, most nights we sit at desks with typewriters, but sometimes tuck our bodies into a lover's arms and the sky changes colors. Lucky, the sky changes colors again and again. I grow old, you grow old. We shall wear the hems of our skirts bold, mermaids singing peach, each to each. Thank you.